Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete contact from suggested email address in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you want to delete a contact from suggestions in your email addresses, this is the video for you. So what we need to do is, I'm just going to go back here, I'm going to go back to my Gmail. Now I'm going to click onto my user profile. Then from here, I need to go to my Google account. From here, I need to do a search. So I'm going to search for contacts and then hit search. And then I want to click into contacts, people, and sharing inside my Google account results. Then from here, this is going to show me all my contacts inside of my Google account. So you just go ahead and delete one by one which contacts you don't want to come up as suggested inside your Gmail. So for example, I want to delete this one here. I want to click and hold it, then click again, and then click on the three dots, and then I want to delete that contact. Then I'll say these contacts will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. So from here, I'm just going to go move to bin,